A 33-year-old man who was reportedly abducted on the night of January 14 was brought to death at Thawal District Hospital last night. According to Manipur police, 6 individuals have been held in connection with the abduction incident. The victim, Mohammad Nawaz Khan, son of Mohammad Leharuddin from Kairang Mayai Lekai, was reportedly abducted on the night of January 14 by some unidentified miscreants from his residence and was reportedly kept at the location in Andhro. It is believed that the victim may have died due to physical torture. Imphal East District Police was informed the admission of the victim at Thawal District Hospital last night. An additional SP of Imphal East District, along with OC of Hengang Police Station, reached the hospital. The police team detained 3 individuals who reportedly brought the victim to the hospital, and subsequently other 3 were also arrested in connection with the abduction incident. Manipur police are also arrested 6 individuals in connection with an incident of abduction of Mohammad Nawaz from his house and was later brought to death at Thawal District Hospital yesterday evening. Police reported that the deceased 33-year-old son of Mohammad Leharuddin from Kairang Mayai Lekai under Hengang Police Station was abducted on 14 January from his house for ransom by suspected 80 members and was later brought to death to Thawal District Hospital. Police identified the arrested individuals as Sagolsem Chinkhainganba, aged 25 years, Jingakham Sanatomba, aged 19 years, Sapam Samorjit, aged 32 years, Maibam Bokanjit, aged 24 years, Athokpam Jivan, aged 30 years, and Jingakham Mani, aged 41 years. They were handed over to Hengang Police Station for further investigations. Meanwhile, in a press release by Arambai Tengol Unit 2 controller, the organization clarified that some individuals carried out activities where they abduct drug-related persons by using the organization's name, and they had nothing to do with the incident. The organization added that they arrested the involved individuals and handed them over to police for further lawful actions. Meanwhile, Arambai Tengol has clarified that the organization has nothing to do with the incident of one dead person brought to Thawal District Hospital yesterday. In a video message, Arambai Tengol General Headquarters Commissioner Munindra Mangang explained that the incident was carried out by some former members and non-related individuals under the guise of organization for personal interest. They later investigated on the incident and detained 6 individuals involved in the incident and handed them over to police. He added that the commanders of AT Unit 2 Andhro and Yaripok were not informed about the incident and that the members of Unit 2 were suspended and currently posted at General Headquarters. Munindro further emphasized that the organization will work hand in hand with law and will cooperate with police for further investigations.
January ki tang 2025 nungdin waram da yamna thoning da ba laibak thiba thawdo ma thokpagi paw ma phangi hari ba thawdok si Arambai Tengol jene quarter gi CMP gi team sina yengchan jabada Arambai Tengol yorom ba adu Arambai Tengol yawda ba myoy khujok khara gi geng amna masagi vested interest ta thabak torom bagi mami khara ui khodak ta masigi pose makhata na yengchan jabada lairiba unit 2 Andhro gi amasung Yaripoki part khara sigi commander sida pau piram bagi langlan jin laite tabak tor mi singchina adugo loinana jene kwata dasu masiga mari lena ba pau piram bagi adu balanglan jin amta laite maduda chena bane haiba mi taruk akoina phagasai adugo loinana angyoy ba makhata ba cheraki investigation gi manung channa police station da koi chinajaki hena asumba langlan jin putoktuna mara laiba mi singdu cherak phangna ba hona bagi process ta Arambai Tengol jene headquarter na haiba unit 2 Andhro branch se suspend thamjare hosik aduda leramba myoy singdu Arambai Tengol gi jene headquarter da kaukhatuna makhata na koi internet investigation ama chathajari akoi Arambai Tengol law boi kai khumna jai police ta cooperate makhata na tawgani aduga kanagumba chenaba makhata na leramaga su myoy singdu police ta sinaduna cooperate tawjagani